Before a customer uses a product, they see the packaging.
Many people focus on the product inside.
But in most cases, the customer first decides based on what they see outside. Packaging creates the first impression. It communicates quality, clarity, and trust, even before the product is used. A well-designed product may be ignored if the packaging does not feel clear or reliable. And a simple product can perform well when the presentation builds confidence. So understanding how to design packaging is not just a design task. It is part of building the brand. Packaging plays a role at multiple stages. It influences whether a customer notices the product. It affects how clearly the product is understood. And it also impacts how comfortable the customer feels using it. In many cases, customers make a quick decision based on how clear and reliable the packaging appears. The first impression happens in just a few seconds. When a customer looks at a shelf, many products appear together. Simple layout, readable text, and a clean design help the product stand out. The goal is not to make it complicated, but to make it easy to notice and understand. Once the product catches attention, the next step is clarity. Customers should quickly understand what the product is and how it is used. Important information such as product type, basic usage, and key features should be easy to read. If the label is crowded or difficult to understand, it can create hesitation. Clear and simple communication helps build confidence and makes the product easier to choose. Bottle selection is also an important part of packaging. The shape, size, and material of the bottle affect both appearance and usability. A suitable bottle should be easy to handle, pour, and store. It should also match the type of product and its usage. Sometimes, even a simple change in bottle design can improve how the product feels in everyday use. So bottle selection should be considered carefully, not just as a container, but as part of the overall product experience. The label is where most of the communication happens. It carries the product name, basic information, and brand identity. A good label design should be easy to read, well-spaced, and visually balanced.
Too much information or too many elements can make the label confusing. Color and visual feel also influence how a product is perceived. Different colors create different impressions. Some colors feel fresh and clean, while others may feel strong or bold. The visual tone should match the purpose of the product. For example, products related to cleanliness often use colors that feel light, fresh, and clear. Consistency in color and design helps the product look more organized and recognizable. The goal is to create a visual feel that supports the product's purpose. Packaging should not only look good, it should also be easy to use. Customers interact with the product regularly, so usability matters. The bottle should be comfortable to hold. The cap should open and close easily. Pouring or dispensing should be controlled and convenient. If the product is difficult to use, even a good product may not be preferred. Simple and practical usability helps improve the overall customer experience. While designing packaging, some common mistakes can reduce product acceptance. One is adding too much information, making the label difficult to read.
Another is unclear product identity, where the customer cannot quickly understand what the product is.
Avoiding these simple mistakes can make a significant difference in how the product is perceived. So effective packaging is a combination of several factors. A clear first impression, simple and readable information, a suitable bottle, a well-designed label, balanced colors and visual feel, and practical usability.
When these elements come together, the product becomes easier to understand, easier to use, and more trustworthy.
Packaging is often the first interaction between the product and the customer. A clear and practical design helps build trust even before the product is used. When packaging is simple, understandable, and easy to use, it supports the product in the market.
With the right approach, packaging becomes a strong part of building a product brand.